Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you the fix for AppleALC audio in Hackintosh Tahoe. The process might cause some issue in some systems, so make sure you back up before proceeding. As you can see, I don't have any audio input or output working in system settings. Let's proceed with the fix. First, we will need to update our EFI folder. Change CSR active config to 030A0000 and add AMFI equals 0x80 in VoodooHDA. Now let's download OpenCore Legacy Patcher from the link given in description. You will need to download from this link as official OpenCore Legacy Patcher doesn't support macOS Tahoe. Let's wait till the download is finished. It will take a while. Now that download is completed, we need to restart our computer for changes in EFI folder to take effect. Let's recheck again that our AppleALC text is enabled, layout is set, and NVRAM entries are correct. I'll add ALC ID in VoodooHDA as well. Now let's restart and come back. After restarting computer, let's open downloaded OpenCore Patcher and install it. Installation is done. Let's open the installed patcher from application folder. Now click on Post Install Root Patch. It will fetch all available patch for your system. It's showing up more audio for my system. Let's click Start Root Patching. It will take some time to download and install. Let's fast forward it. Installation completed. We need to restart our computer once more to check. After restarting computer, as you can see, my output and input devices are detecting correctly and sound also working just fine. I hope you can follow along and fix audio for your Hackintosh Tahoe as well. Beware that you might face issues during this process, as OpenCore legacy patcher sometimes causes issue with Hackintosh setup. That's all for today's video. I'll catch up in the next one. Thanks for watching.